Hey guys, Paul here with Tool Metrics. I'm setting up for a tool test where I brought in a bunch of random orbital sanders and I'm going to test them for power, sound output, vibration, dust extraction, vibration. I think I mentioned that. And that's going to be an upcoming video. For now, what I'm going to do is open up all these sanders, just do an unboxing on each one, show you what's inside the box, try to figure out why this one has such a small box and this one has such a large box. So with that, I'm just going to open them up. Let me know down below if you have specific suggestions of things that you want me to test, and I'll include that in the big tool test that I do in an upcoming video. For now, let's have a look and see what's inside these boxes. All right, this is the Black & Decker. If I remember right, this was one of the cheaper ones on Amazon. So definitely a small box, and not much inside the box. One sanding disc, 120 grit. Good solid grab on the Velcro. And your typical dust extraction. Nice rubber ring to give a good grip and seal. Pretty flimsy around the inlet. Did a good enough job, pretty quiet, seemed like low vibration, didn't seem like a particularly powerful sander, but all right, that's the Black & Decker. Oh, look at that, fell off. I'm gonna see if I can get that to hook on better and figure out why that's getting hung up on that rubber ring. All right, next up is Bosch. This looks like a promising unit. I use a Bosch as one of my kind of regular go-to random orbitals. This is a pretty stout unit, very solid feeling. Comes with a built-in dust extraction as well as a converter for a shop vac, so that's kind of a nice feature. Nice feeling cord, kind of soft pliable rubber, heavier gauge. It's a very substantial feeling unit. All right, again, powerful, low vibration, quieter than I would have expected. Seems like good dust extraction, so this is going to be a good candidate. All right, let's see what DeWalt has in store for us. All right, a nice carrying bag. I really like those. I have a couple of other DeWalt tools, drills and impact drivers and router. I've got a DeWalt router that has a bag. I really like having that. All right. Feels fairly substantial. This has a real nice snap-on, I like that a lot, snap-on dust collection bin. And all right, and to me that's louder and more powerful than the other two. It feels substantial. Again, I really like that dust collection mechanism. We'll see how it does when I sand a lot of surface area and see how well it collects. All right, here's a Tacklight. Now, I'm not familiar at all with Tacklight, but this got good reviews out on Amazon, so I bought one and thought I would include it in the comparison, see if it's a good value play. Pretty substantial. Similar dust collection mechanism to the Bosch. This one comes with a whole bunch of sandpaper. Yeah, big range of grits. This is 180. I see some 80 in there as well. Seems comparable in construction quality to the others, you know, maybe similar to the Bosch. That's a workhorse. That has some oomph to it. Feels more powerful, a little bit more vibration, but more power, a little bit more noise, but definitely seems like a contender. All right, next up, PorterCable. I've used their random orbital sanders. I remember doing a tool test probably 20 years ago now for American Woodworker, and there were a bunch of different PorterCable ones in there, and I like those quite a bit. This has a really nice dust collection mechanism on it as well. Does not come with a sanding disc, so I'm going to borrow one from Tacklight, pop it on. A little bit more plasticky than the others, not a very soft feel. So we'll see how that transmits in terms of vibration. That's kind of my main concern right off the bat. All right, so pretty low vibration, but it feels a little less powerful. Very quiet compared to the others, so this is going to be, at least they're not all the same. That was my one concern was doing this, was they would all be the same and I wouldn't have any points of comparison. But I think we're seeing some good differentiation. All right, now let's see what's in this big box. What is it about the Makita that they think it's so special that they need such a massive bit of packaging? All right, comes with a big plastic case. And beyond that, it's just a regular, kind of includes the same stuff as everything else. This has a different dust collection bin. We'll see how this goes. This is a really small inlet, which that's a little bit of a red flag for me. May or may not be an actual problem. It's got a real nice, soft, cushy grip to it. No abrasives inside. All right, definitely seems like a more powerful tool, and you know, a little bit louder, but seemed like it was doing quite a bit of work. So, all right, there's the lineup. Got some good contenders here, and a lot of differentiation, it seems, just in the feel and the power and the noise level and the usability. So it's going to be really interesting to see. Let me know who you think is going to be the winner, most powerful, best value, and so forth. And I'm going to get after this, and hopefully within a week or so have a results video and kind of show you what I came up with. And let me know, like I said, if you have anything that you want me to specifically look at on these, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe and come back for more. Take care.